Hey everyone, how's it going? So today we're going to show you how to basically take your landing pages to the next level by using code overrides in Framer. So this will make you stand out by just using cool effects, and you don't need any code. You can do it just literally just copy and paste. So we have this website here, frameroverrides.com. They have their full one, but there's a lot that they give away for free. So like bubbles, hover, flashcards. There's a lot of cool stuff they give away. So there's one we want to use today. It's going to be this wobbly hover. So this to unlock, basically you go here, unlock, and you have to this one's free. So basically there's a way to get it for free. You go, yeah. So now I got the free file. So once you get it, it'll go into your Framer. So then you have this. Basically, these are the freebies. Yeah, go to the site. Look for the freebies to get it. So this wobbly now, this has a code in it. So to access that code, we go here. You have your layers, desktop, overrides. But you want to go into assets. So assets, we go here, wobble. So this is the code. Now, to basically achieve the effect in our page, so if we go to the page that earlier I showed how to make a guide, how to make a landing page, in under like 30 minutes, 35 minutes. So we made a CTA button. So this button here, we made a component. So you see now currently the button we just added a hover, simple hover, goes to orange. But now if we want to have a wobble effect to it, so we go here, code overrides. Now we'll have to make a new file. So when we do that new file, we're going to take all this code here. Is there a way to copy all? No, you can copy the link, but no. So we just copy, go here, go to new file. I'm going to say wobble button. New override, create. Okay, delete all of this. Paste. Now if you're on a Mac, you're going to do Command S to save. PC, that would be Option S. Mac is Command S, save. Go back. Now this CTA, so let's go. We have it here, wobble. And if we go here, layers selected, wobble button with wobble effect. Now, boom, that's it. There we go. It's wobbling. That's it. So simple, so easy. I've done it before too with there's the confetti one, which is really nice. So, if you have a card, let's say you have a features card, tile card, you can do that. Generally a lot of these are with buttons, cards, spin, border color. Yeah, so this is like if you have like a frame, even image, test it with an image, hover, you do shiny hover, There's ways you can do this too in Framer without, but if you just want a quick, easy solution, yeah, just boom, just little wobble like that, random rotate, like that. Randomly. Let's see. 3D star spin. That's nice. So if you have stars in there, multicolor. Yeah, it's very cool. The scrambling, I particularly like. Matrix effect. So yeah, the confetti, I did that with a page recently. It was like an animated counter, then plus the button, CTA click, boom. Anyway, hope you guys let me know if you have any questions.